and athletic performance. So good morning po, Coach Mayet.
Hi, good morning, Promeline. Great job on hosting our VNC. And good morning to everyone po na nandito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club. It's nice to see all of you. Okay, so today's topic, I will ask ang aking magandang assistant to help me, present to you the slides. Yan. Okay, maraming salamat, Coach Nida. Yan. So, ang topic natin today is not just the three benefits of protein for health and performance. I really like to correct that kasi when I was looking up our topic, meron na siyang update no other than from our Vice President from the Office of Health and Wellness of Herbalife Nutrition, si Dr. Luigi Graton. So, hindi lang tatlo ang ibibigay ko sa inyong benefits, kundi siyam. Nako, so exciting, di ba? Meron tayong update. So, but first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Mayat Mariano. I'm from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Okay, I'm a housewife, mother of three. Um, I'm in my healthy aging season of life. In fact, I'm looking forward to my senior citizenship in 2 months' time. Yay! Background ko po, I used to be in an industry that really demanded a lot of my time, and it was stressful, causing me to live a very inactive lifestyle. So, meaning I had less exercise, in fact, no exercise at all, and kinumbine ko with stress eating. It's a very bad combination. Okay? When I went back home to the Philippines for good, doon ako na-introduce sa healthy breakfast program natin, of course, in a nutrition club. And bottom line, I lost a total of 40 pounds. And not only that, hindi lang yung weight loss yung that I'm very grateful for. It's because I really gained back my energy and my confidence. My mind shifted to a more positive and healthy mindset about about wellness. Yon. And until now, so that was like near 11 years ago. Until now, our family would still rely on our shakes, our aloe, our tea, yung fiber and herb, yung vitamins and minerals, yung Herbal Lifeline, hindi yun nawawala sa amin. So it's really now, yun lang yung sinasabi ko sa mga tao. I don't have any medical maintenance, but I do have my nutritional maintenance, which is Herbalife Nutrition. So now let's go back to our topic. Okay, so Coach Nida, let's go to the next slide. Let's talk about protein, di ba? Kasi yun yung topic natin. What are the benefits of protein for our health and exercise? So first of all, bibigyan ko kayo ng trivia. Did you know that the word protein comes from the Greek word protos? So meaning, yung protos means first rank. So, ibig sabihin no, naha-highlight yung importance ng protein for sustaining life. Napaka-fundamental nutrient talaga niyan for our body repair and function. And of course, it's very essential for muscle maintenance. We'll go into that more deeply, no? Now, in Herbalife Nutrition's global wellness philosophy, protein is considered a priority macronutrient. Tatlo yan eh. Protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Okay? Because it supports nearly every biological process in our body. Yung mga may medical background na nakikinig dito, no? You can type in there. Ano ba yung mga kahit mag-name lang kayo ng isang biological process sa katawan natin. Type nyo lang dyan as we go on. Okay? Para makahelp naman dito sa ibang mga nakakarinig sa atin. Okay? So also protein helps repair yung mga damaged tissues. Yung mga nagpo-produce siya ng enzyme for digestion. Nagpo-form yan ng antibiotics para ma-support yung immune system natin. You know, without enough protein, yung katawan natin, it really struggles to perform yung mga processes na yon sa katawan natin. Now, protein can be available from both animal and plant sources as well. And if you've been joining our VNC for some time, maririnig yung ibang mga topics, or if you want, you can go back to yung mga replay ng mga topics natin. Okay. Sis, let's go to the next slide. Paano ba napopo-support ng protein yung health and fitness goals natin? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, I'm not only going to share three, but nine. So number one there is muscle repair and growth. So tayo, pag nag-exercise tayo, kahit anong exercise, in fact, lalo na if you do yung mga HIIT exercises natin, yung mga strength training, no? Nag-prepare yung muscles natin. Kaya yung mga post-workout shakes natin na iniinom nyo, nakakatulong yun magpa-hasten o magpabilis ng muscle repair at saka ng growth. Yan. Calorie burn and weight loss. Yung protein kasi, it has a high thermic effect. Now, when you hear the word thermic, okay, it really means it uses more energy. Okay, so to digest yung mga kinakain natin compared to fats and carbohydrates. Okay, and so what does it do? What does it mean then? Pag mataas yung thermic effect ng protein, it means nakaka-help siya mag-increase, mag-burn ng calories. Therefore, nakakatulong sa weight loss natin. Now, the third one is it helps with our satiety and appetite control. Satiety means yung sense of pagkabusog mo, yung fullness mo. Tsaka nakokontrol yung appetite. No, kasi syempre, pag kumakain ka ng more protein, mas busog ka, mas lesser ka nagki-crave to eat more. Okay? Now, let's go to the next slide. Ito na yung next three benefits ng protein. Nabanggit to kanina ni Coach Alvin, no? Sabi niya, yung kay Dr. Gary Small, ano yung quote niya? When you use your brain, when you lose it, when you use it less, you lose it. Ganun ba yun? So, brain function and mental clarity. Alam niyo ba, yung protein kasi has amino acid that supports yung brain health natin. It produces yung mga neurotransmitters natin that regulate what? Our mood, yung focus natin, and yung mga cognitive function. So when you hear the word cognitive, it really points to yung mental and intellectual facilities ng katawan natin, no? So that's why pag hindi tayo kumakain ng enough protein, nakaka-experience tayo minsan yung mental fatigue, yung madali kang mapagod, yung mga ang dami mong iniisip, as parang pagod na pagod ka na. Nagkakaroon ka ng difficulty in mag-concentrate, pati yung mood mo, nagkakaroon ng nagshi-shift yung moods mo madalas. So that actually is derived from yung mga brain function natin. Bone health, of course. Alam nyo ba na hindi lang yung calcium ang importante para sa ating bone health. In fact, protein is very fundamental to support yung bone health natin, yung formation ng bone health natin, ng bones natin. Ang laking tulong ng protein to help maintain yung bone density natin. Lalo na pag tayo nagkakaedad, nag yung density ng bone natin, bumababa na yan. But if you have enough protein intake in your body, nakakatulong to, okay, para ma-maintain mo yung bone density na tama para sa katawan mo. Yan. So, ito na, yung number 6. Sino dito yung mahilig magpaspa? Okay, mahilig mag-take care ng skin, ng hair, pati mag-manicure at pedicure. So merong protein, it's called collagen, and it's found in our skin, in our hair, and our nails. So yung collagen, it helps to maintain yung structure ng balat natin, ng buhok natin, at saka nung nails natin. So pag nagbe-brittle yung nails mo, pag yung hair mo mabilis munipis or madalas ka nakaka-encounter ng mga falling hair, di ba? Or yung skin mo nagda-dry, yon, ibig sabihin no, nagkukulang ka sa collagen, which is a protein compound, di ba? Ano ba yung products ng Herbalife Nutrition na mataas ang collagen level? Meron tayong products which are found in the US. And that's why one of the advantages of Herbalife membership is because it's a global membership. Makakaroon ka ng access dun sa mga ganong products, di ba? But let's move on to our main topic. Let's focus on this. Okay, the last three benefits, okay, of protein to support your health and fitness goals is number 7, yung enzyme production. Ano ba yung enzyme? Yung enzymes are actually substances yun that helps with all the processes in our body. O na ano ba yan? Nag-type in na ba kayo dyan kung ano yung mga biological processes sa katawan natin? Yung digestion, di ba yung cardiovascular system natin, ano pa? Ano bang klaseng mga ano, help dyan sa mga from our medical, may medical background coaches or mga members, yan. So yung enzyme, substance yan na nakakatulong especially sa digestion natin. So whenever we eat something, yung enzymes are actually yung protein, bini-break down nila yung food natin para makatulong dun sa pag-absorb natin ng nutrients na nakukuha natin dun sa pagkain natin. So, kaya nakakatulong to mag-convert sa energy. So, yun ang importance ng enzyme production. Pati yung hormones, okay? Yung proteins help produce hormones that regulate important functions such as insulin, which plays a very critical role in regulating yung blood sugar levels natin. Last but not the least, number 9, yung protein helps immune support. Yung protein natin supports yung production ng antibodies that defend yung body natin against infections, yung mga foreign invaders that weaken us, di ba? So, alam naman natin that a strong immune system depends on an adequate protein intake to function properly. Kaya alam mo nyo, yung vitamins and minerals na yan, minsan for me, underrated Pero dito sa Herbalife Nutrition, yung vitamins and minerals yan, it's so helpful to really build a strong immune system natin. Siyempre, combine mo pa yan with your intake of shakes, aloe, and tea, di ba? So let's go to the next slide, Coach Nida. Now, how do you incorporate protein para ma-enjoy mo yung benefits na to, no? First of all, you choose high-quality protein. Hindi lang yung mga basta-bastang pag sinabing, ay protein, o ito yung meat, kakainin ko to. Pero kinakain mo nang pati yung fat na nakasama dun sa meat, di ba? The best talaga are actually yung mga vegetable protein, like yung soy protein which is the main ingredient din sa Formula 1 shakes natin, di ba? No, you have to remember, no, add protein after exercise for recovery. So, pag nag-exercise ka, kailangan talaga yung post-workout mo, nandiyan dyan yung F1 combined with our PTT or your Herbalife 24. And then use shakes when needed for convenience. Alam niyo, yung feeling ko ngayon sa Pasko. Itong Pasko, very talaga itong holiday season natin. Kung hindi ka nakakapag-exercise, ang dami mong activities, parties na pinupuntahan, kung ano-ano, di ba? Ang dami mong kinakain. At the end of the day, ako, what I do, ang dinner ko talaga, yung Formula 1 shake na lang. And then I just, have a nightcap of aloe and tea. You add your a tube of that immunity, berry flavored powder, no? Yun lang, para kasi parang feeling ko nare-restore yung energy ko, nare-restore yung katawan ko pagka ginagawa ko yun. After a very stressful days from combined with work, parties, other activities, diba? Kahit hindi ka nga nag-exercise, mapapagod ka Pero, it's not really just for convenience for me. It's really for restoration, for you to get re-energized. Okay. Balanced use. Remember, when you take protein, syempre iba-balance mo yan. Di ba yung ating global nutrition philosophy says, so we need 40% carbohydrates, good carbohydrates by the way, 30% good protein, and 30% good fats. Okay, so protein is really just one part of all of our overall wellness. And of course, don't forget, whole foods are still very important. So you have your vegetables, you have your salads, you have your fish, you have your fruits, of course, okay, and other protein sources like nuts, mga even whole grain, mga breads and rolls, okay? But of course, yung needs natin ng protein, it varies. It's based on lifestyle. Yung mga athletes natin, they need more protein than us. But you, yourself, if you're very active, you need more protein intake. And yan, dapat naka-timing yan. So let's go to the next slide, no? To summarize, yung protein natin supports what? Our muscle, weight goals natin, and of course, yung overall health. Again, sinasabi natin, choose quality types of protein. Siyempre, when you talk about quality, nandiyan dyan yung Herbalife Nutrition Supplements natin. Kanina in-explain sa healthy breakfast natin presentation, di ba? And don't forget, timing matters as well. That's why when you speak to your coaches, you go to a nutrition club, or even pag nag-online coaching ka, di ba may meal plan tayo. So, yung protein dapat, naka-ano din yan, naka-allocate din yan. Yung protein intake mo, naka-allocate din yan throughout the day. Okay, and of course, you really need to combine balanced nutrition, okay, which is, the carbohydrates, the protein, and the fat, and for best results for wellness. With that, I want to thank everyone. Okay, let's go to the next slide, Coach Nida. In the book of Corinthians 10, verse 31, it says there, so whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Kasi dito sa Herbalife Nutrition, natutunan ko i-appreciate yung katawan natin, di ba? We really have to understand how our body works, how God designed us to function and to move so that we can live a thriving and abundant life. And so we need to be very wise in taking care or stewarding our bodies. Kaya watch what we eat. Be mindful, lalong-lalo na itong Pasko where you see a lot of temptations around you. And with that, I'd like to thank everyone, and I hope that you learned yung mga benefits of protein for our health and our exercise. And keep coming back po dito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club dahil ang dami natin pong matututunan. This is a community that loves you, that supports you. Thank you, everyone, and see you again soon.
Thank you po, Coach Mayet. So, ayan. So, hindi lang pala 3 benefits, kundi 9 benefits po. Ano po? So, thank you for clearly and paano ba na kahalagahan talaga ng protein? Ano po? For overall daily function and for everyone, hindi lang para sa athletes. And syempre, thank you, Lord, for amazing body natin, healthy body, kasi lahat ng desisyon natin is gabay po niya. Ano po? So, for everyone po, thank you for joining us today. And syempre, tomorrow may another pa po tayong topic. Ano po, for everyone po na nandito sa Zoom, we thankful and grateful po sa inyong buhay kasi naka-join po kayo today. And syempre, dahil nagkaroon tayo ng another learning sa iba't ibang coaches. And sana po maisabuhay talaga natin. Ano po, so with that po, thank you po and see you again tomorrow.
From, pina-unmute ko sila lahat. Pwede kayo mag-unmute. Meron na kayong power mag-unmute. Magpasalamat tayo kay Mayet. From, thank you
Coach
sa'yo.
Mayet.
Okay, tsaka thank you kay Jezza kanina at sa lahat ng tumulong.
Thank you po.
Thank
you, Coach
Morning.
Coach Jessa.
Thank you so much po, Coach
Thank you,
Mayet.
everyone. Thank you.
Thank you din for always
Thank you.
joining us dito sa ating VNC.
Thank you so much, Yet. Okay, after the music, i-end ko na ha. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you
God
po.
bless.
Thank you po.
To a better you, you can simply be the best. Fear and worries will all fade if you say yes. Say yes. Join us.